Hi, this is Sam Seid coming from the United States Fertilizer Desk here at Freight Investor Services. Just want to give a quick rundown of the week's trade in the NOLA markets. Starting off with urea, we had a really quiet start to the week. Market trying to get its bearings after that cold weekend last week. Really slow physical trade, just not a lot happening. Second half of the week, the market caught wind that a large producer was out buying barges, and that kind of lit a fire underneath the market. We saw physical activity pick up pretty quick, particularly in the back months, helping flatten out the curve and push the market higher. The March futures and March physical values were up about $10 on the week to the mid to high 350s. The April physical was up about $15 to the 360 area, and the May futures were up almost $30 to the low 340s, again really flattening out that curve into the end of the week. On the phosphate side of things, we started out pretty hot. There was a high value sale, physical sale made to Latin America. That popped the market up pretty quick, but we saw sellers come in and take advantage of those higher values pretty quickly and push the market back down into the back half of the week. We still saw some relatively steady trade. Most in the market seem to be bullish, and most seem happy to take long positions or relayer into length at current levels. But what's interesting is that we actually saw open interest increase this week, which on lower prices, we saw March down about $10, does suggest new shorts. So we'll have to see how that kind of shakes out in the time being. One more interesting fact, we did see a 518 physical trade for the DAP late Thursday afternoon, and that was included in the index this week. So that might take a little bit of wind out of the sails of the bulls, maybe into the first couple of days or so into next week. That's all I've got for the NOLA fertilizer markets this week. If you have any thoughts or questions on fertilizer futures or derivatives, or how they can impact your risk management strategy, please give us an email at ferts@freightinvestor.com or visit our company homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. Thanks. Have a great rest of your week.